Hi, welcome to JD Plays. Today, my Poppy's gonna teach me about a tractor.
Get up there, coach. Sit right down in the seat. You got the steering wheel? Now when you get to be a big boy, you're gonna drive this thing all by yourself. Do you believe that?
Yeah.
All right, you got some growing to do. These are the brakes.
Which is the go?
Over there. It's called a treadle pedal. You push down on it forward, it goes forward. You push down on the back, it goes back.
What do you use the tractor to do?
I use a tractor to move a lot of dirt.
What else can tractors do?
Oh, tractors can do a lot of things. Tractors can pull trees. Tractors can run big mowers.
What is this wheel? How big is this?
That's a good question, my boy. That tire right there is almost 4 feet tall. How tall are you, James? Turn around. How tall are you, buddy? Ooh, it's almost up to you.
What's this big thing on the front?
This is a tractor bucket. This lifts up the dirt for me now. This tractor bucket can lift 2,300 pounds.
Is that big enough to lift me?
Well, that's big enough to lift about 15 of you.
Tina.
What would I do with 15, James?
Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for teaching me about tractors, Poppy.
No problem, buddy. Anything for you. I can't wait till you get big enough to drive it.
Make sure you roundhouse kick that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.